Tomatoes are considered heavy-feeding plants because they constantly produce new leaves, flowers, and fruits throughout the growing season. To maintain this continuous growth, they need a reliable supply of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and trace minerals. When these nutrients become limited, tomato plants often begin to show signs of stress, including yellowing leaves, weak growth, reduced flowering, and smaller or less flavorful fruits. This is why a homemade liquid fertilizer can be extremely beneficial, especially for gardeners looking for a natural, affordable, and sustainable feeding method. One of the greatest advantages of this fertilizer is that it is made using tomato plant waste itself. Instead of discarding pruned leaves or removed suckers, those green materials are recycled back into the garden system. Since these plant parts already contain nutrients absorbed from the soil, reusing them helps return valuable minerals back to the plants. As the leaves and stems soak and decompose in water, they release nitrogen and other soluble nutrients that tomatoes can absorb quickly. This creates a fast-acting nutrient source that supports vigorous growth and healthier plants. Compost is an important addition to the mixture because it introduces beneficial microorganisms that speed up decomposition. A few handfuls of compost contain countless microbes that immediately begin breaking down the tomato leaves and plant material. During this process, complex organic matter is converted into simpler nutrients that are easier for plants to absorb. These microbes also improve the biological quality of the fertilizer, making it richer, more active, and more effective for overall plant health. Molasses plays another valuable role in the fertilizer. Even a small amount can significantly improve the fermentation process. Molasses provides natural sugars that serve as food for beneficial bacteria and fungi. As these microbes feed on the sugars, they multiply rapidly and break down the plant material more efficiently. This results in a nutrient-rich liquid filled with plant-available compounds. Molasses also helps maintain a balanced microbial environment, encouraging beneficial organisms while reducing the risk of harmful bacteria dominating the mixture. Once the tomato leaves, compost, molasses, and water are combined, the mixture is left to ferment for approximately 2 weeks. During this period, natural decomposition takes place, allowing nutrients to gradually leach into the water. Over time, the liquid changes into a dark green or brownish green color, showing that nutrients have been successfully extracted. A strong, earthy smell is also common and indicates that the fermentation process is active and healthy. Allowing the mixture to sit for this period is essential because it gives enough time for beneficial microbes to multiply and for nutrients to fully dissolve into the solution. Before using the fertilizer, it should always be diluted with clean water. A common recommendation is mixing 1 part fertilizer with 10 parts water. This dilution prevents the solution from becoming too concentrated, which could otherwise damage roots or create nutrient imbalances, especially in young plants. Once diluted, the fertilizer becomes a gentle but highly nutritious feed that can safely be applied around the base of tomato plants. One of the biggest benefits of liquid fertilizer is the speed at which nutrients become available to plants. Unlike solid fertilizers that need time to break down in the soil, liquid nutrients can be absorbed almost immediately by plant roots. This often leads to faster visible improvements, including greener foliage, thicker stems, stronger growth, and increased flowering. Tomatoes particularly benefit from this rapid nutrient availability during active growth and fruit production stages. Regular use of this homemade fertilizer can also improve fruit quality. Tomatoes often grow larger, juicier, and more flavorful when plants receive balanced nutrition throughout the season. The natural combination of nutrients from decomposed plant material, compost, and microbial activity supports both leafy growth and fruit development without causing excessive foliage production, which is common with high levels of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. Over time, this fertilizer also contributes to healthier soil. Repeated applications encourage microbial activity in the soil, improving its structure, fertility, and water-holding capacity. Healthy soil supports stronger root systems, better drainage, and improved moisture retention, helping tomato plants become more resilient to drought and changing weather conditions.